What's up, SK?
We hope you're having a fantastic day.
I see what you did there.
Did what?
You rhymed and it was really cool.
I did.
Anyway, I'm Emily Reel.
And I'm Kelly Williams. Welcome to another episode of WTV, full of sports news, scholarship news, and club news you won't want to miss. Let's kick off the show with some general news. All students, Thursday, September 20th at 2:15 p.m., the Port Orchard Rotary Club is hosting a Youth Exchange Scholarship meeting in Stage 2. The two programs available are the Youth Exchange Scholarship, which is 1 year, and the short-term family-to-family summer program. If you want to become fluent in another language and learn a new culture, this meeting is for you.
If you are a student who put their name on the waiting list for a parking permit to avoid having to wake up at 4:30 in the morning just to find a spot on the street, please come to the security office. September 21st is your last day to seize this opportunity to claim a pass before you're back to walking 10 miles in the rain to get to school. Also, any lost and found not collected from the security office by the end of the school day on Friday will be donated to charity. This Thursday and Friday, during all lunches in the gym foyer, we'll be having picture retakes. You will receive your picture packets and flyers Wednesday during first block.
Homecoming is coming up fast. This week, tickets are $11 with ASB and $13 without. If you are planning on bringing a guest who does not go to this school, make sure to grab a guest form from Ms. Shiro in the main office. Turn this in by September 26th before the first bell, and you'll be able to pick up their ticket the same day. Going along with homecoming, our next pep assembly is the Homecoming Assembly on September 28th. We hope you all keep up your spirit that you had in the first assembly of the year. Let's take a look back.
Hey, it's you there. SK 2019, let's get it.
We love seeing all of your cheering faces and can't wait to see what you have in store for the next assembly.
Kelly, this is our last homecoming before we go off to college.
Emily, I don't even want to think about that right now. Why can't senior season just last forever?
Well, sorry to ruin your moment, but college visits are happening soon. On the 24th, we have the University of Washington visiting at 8:20, go Dogs. And also on the 24th, Pacific Lutheran will have their meeting at 1:30, and on the 25th, Washington State will have their meeting at 1:30.
Speaking of WSU, did you know that they have a great scholarship open now?
Really? What is it?
Nominations are now open for the WSU Regents Scholarship. You must be a senior to be eligible, along with having exceptional academic and community involvement. Pick up an application on October 9th. If you're nominated, you need to take an early SAT or ACT and submit your official transcript so WSU receives your scores and grades. Complete this online and have everything done by November 30th.
The Career Center has tons of scholarship information, and make sure to check out their website too. They are always welcoming students who want to be proactive in financing their post-high school plans.
Enough about senior season for a second. Freshmen, welcome to SK. If you would like to be a leader for your class, consider running for office. Election packets are available today. Go out and make a difference. Something that you all can do to make a difference here at South is staying out of certain hallways during lunches.
What's up, Wolfpack? Lunch is the much-needed break for teachers and students to kick back and relax. But there are still a few rules that must be followed while enjoying lunch here at SK. Students may eat lunch outside, but don't wander off of campus. Also, students may walk the Loop, which is the main hall to the Commons area, to the Music Hall. Do not walk through the Math Science Hall or the English Social Studies Hall. Students and teachers require the respect and quiet to maintain a peaceful learning environment. If you have any questions about lunchtime expectations, please see a dean or security. Stay classy, South.
Thank you for all understanding that we want to keep those hallways clear to avoid disrupting classes.
And we can't forget about club news. GSA is meeting today. Speech and debate starts tomorrow in room 327 right after school, along with Paranormal Club meeting in room 303, and Ballroom and Swing in room 211.
And also, tomorrow French Club will meet in 300D. Highly recommended going. They are going to be playing a French movie. French, movies, what's not to love?
Hey Kelly, guess what?
What?
Key Club is also meeting tomorrow in room 216, and Graphics Club will meet in 178A. Then later on Thursday, Journalism Club will start up in room 305, and Everybody's Equality will continue to meet in room 341.
IB Action will meet in the library every other Tuesday beginning September 25th. Hang in there, guys. We've got more news for you. If you're a baseball player, the weight room will be open Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 2:30 to 4 p.m. And girls' basketball workouts begin this week also. Weights and conditioning on Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays from 2:45 to 3:45. Come on down today.
Kelly, guess what day it is?
Tuesday?
Well, yeah, but also, it's game day. Come out and watch your SK women's soccer team take on Olympia tonight at 7. With that, there are plenty more of our sports teams to come out and support as well. Good luck to all of our athletes. Let's bring home some doves. Also, Sam Canton, Sam Johnson, Mitchell Wolf, Luke Barnett, and Drew Halili need to be released at 1 p.m. for men's golf. Let's get some hole-in-ones, boys.
And with that, we've reached the end of our show.
But remember, SK,
We actually love it when you guys come to our home soccer games.
later South.